Today you will learn how to make things like me. Hey everybody. So, let's have some fun today before the Christmas holiday hits us. It is December 18th. And I think I got my editing computer up and running. So if you're watching this, that means I did. And if this never reaches YouTube, well, that means it's not. So fingers crossed someone's watching this. So I want to talk about creating NPCs today. And side quests, and about how you can really bring them to life. One of the things that I'm always a huge proponent of is the realism, the creating as much of an immersive experience as you possibly can. And there's only so many costumes and things that we can use as teachers. So I have been scouring the internet, as I always do, and I have uncovered, with the help of someone named Mr. Steve Sherman, who is a really cool guy in South Africa, who I had to chat with him, and he showed me this incredible tool. So we love Snapchat. Actually, we don't. I hate Snapchat. However, what Snapchat has produced is the ability to put these lenses or filters or masks, whatever you want to call them. They obviously dominated social media when they first came out because they were just so incredibly unique. And I used to have Snapchat as a way to just use those things realistically. Like I used to love playing with them and having some fun with them. But then it got a little boring and I didn't really have anyone to use it with. That being said, Snapchat has released something called Snapcam, which allows you to use their filters and lenses directly on your webcams for your computer without any of the baloney of using Snapchat. So you don't have to worry about any of the garbage that comes with Snapchat. You can literally just use the lenses. And the incredible part about this is that I have started to create, and again, I'm doing virtual learning right now, so I can't, but for next year, I'm already starting to create this pool of ridiculous videos to introduce NPCs, which if you are unfamiliar means a non-player control, which is like a person you could beat in the game, and create some videos about people needing help and just, oh my gosh, I'm just having so much fun with it. And then after I made these videos, I realized that me trying to do different accents and voices and speak robotic or like an orc or something is not so great, and can't do that very well. So what I then did was I found a voice changer online for free that helps manipulate the voice. So this is the perfect way to bring side quests, introduce characters with unique videos, and it's so easy to do. So let me introduce you to this. So let me just go down to the corner here. Let's go to that corner and let's first show you Snapcam. So you just go to snapcamera.snapchat.com, and essentially what it does is it overlays all of the filters that you would get in Snapchat over top of your camera. Now, of course, you might be thinking like, well, what the heck would I want hearts or a squishy face or something like that over my head? Well, in reality, if you look at it, you actually can get some pretty unique looking faces that would fit a lot of the themes of your games. So all you do is you just download it, you install it, and while I'm here on the website, because I'm going to have to be switching cameras and stuff all over the place, one thing to consider here is that you can also create your own lenses. They have something called Lens Studio. Now this is a little bit more in depth, but you can actually create your own lenses to fit your game. So if you needed a Spider-Man lens, because your game is superhero, and you didn't have it, you can actually use Lens Studio to actually create your own lenses for your own game. So this is kind of a limitless possibility thing. Now, I'm not too familiar yet with Lens Studio, but there are tons of tutorials and videos out there for it. But anyway, let's just focus on the basics and let's download Snapchat and install it. Okay? And I will meet you now in Snapcam. Hello, here I am in Snapcam, and as you can see, I'm looking very normal, my usual self. My eyes look nice. It's very nice eyes I have here. No filter. So now, how do you use this program? Super easy. If you show up and it's a black screen, you just got to go to your settings and you just want to adjust the proper camera and some of the settings here to best fit, and then you should just pop up right here. It's as literally as simple as going, I want Christmas tree heads. Boom, I got them. You can see they automatically motion track to your head. They're not flawless. But there's all kinds of incredible ones that you can use. So the process behind using them in your game is very simple. Sorry about that. I had to make an adjustment because you can't move. I use Loom to record right now, and you can't move this bar. So anyway, I had to fix something. All fixed and good. So what you do is you find a filter you want. So they have curated categories here of different things that they categorize, like, so characters, right? So if you want to be an army sergeant, I guess, or have a cat face, or be a rancher, you know, whatever the case may be. There's all kinds of examples. And then these are all things that people have created. Some are great, some are not helpful at all. Some are just like little stickers on your face and stuff. So you want to find the ones you want. You can actually search. The hard part about searching is that the filters are sometimes not named what you want. So if you search like Viking, you're going to find some great ones for Viking, like this one. You know, I'm a big fan of this one. But there's a better Viking one, I believe, under gaming right here. And oddly enough, that one didn't come up on my first search page for Viking. So it's sometimes tricky to find them. Of course, as I mentioned in the intro of the video, you can actually go to the Create a Lens studio and try to create your own. And again, I've never done that yet. It's on my things of to do, but you can very easily apparently create them, and there's tons of tutorials. So if I go back to gaming and you're like, okay, I don't want this one anymore, you just simply click it and it turns it off. Now, let's say you do want to use that one and record. Well, this is how easy it is. I click the Viking. And to your left here, it might be collapsed like this. You just click on the camera and you go take a video. I click it. Now it's recording and I do my thing. Oh, save my village, blah, blah, blah. And I'm going to show you some examples in a moment. But blah, 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 save my village, video. Done. I can watch it. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's good. I like it. You just simply hit download. And then you download it to your computer. Now, that's how easy it is to use. And it is so incredibly fun to use these things. Look at me, I'm a Viking. And now I'm this thing. I did not like that. Let's be this dancing. I don't know if I like that either. Let's just turn them off. How about that? So now that we have our videos, you think you can defeat the sun god? Not a chance. Regardless, to show you one morsel of mercy, I have left you a clue hidden in the classroom. First to find it will have advanced knowledge about how to defeat me. The hint is red, red, red. Good luck. Mayday! Mayday! We need your help! Quick! 12 o'clock! We need you in the engineering bay! Quick! We won't last much longer! Over and out! Thank you, warrior. We couldn't have done it without you. If you can help me round up my cattle, I got a big prize for you. Problem is, I can't figure out how big to make that pen. If you can figure it out for me, using only the materials I've got, I'll be sure to give you some gold doubloons. I don't trust you at all. You need to show me a sign that you're on our side. Prove it to me, and we will be allies. Make a fool of me, and I will crush you. Oh no. Oh no. Thank goodness you're here. I need your help. I need you to double check my calculations. I don't think I balanced the equation right, and it turned me into a baby. Quick, I really need your help. I want to talk now about how you can actually add the audio to it and take the recording voice of yourself and actually turn it into, some sort of different thing to really create the illusion of this like video coming in from this unique person, NPC, side quest, secret thing, whatever the case may be. All right, so here we go. This voice changer. Now, the incredible part about the voice changer is that it utilizes video already. Okay, so when it says upload audio, you can actually upload video. and it's got all kinds of different sounds and themes and styles that you can play with. So if you just click on one, so there's kind of a weird example of how it works. So you can just click on one in order to see what it sounds like. Obviously the pictures give it a bit of a clue, like an alien voice, a demonic voice, going really slow, robotic, old school, or you can create custom ones on your own. So here is some examples of how they look. I'm going to show you the original recording and then the one with the new audio update.
Mayday! Mayday! We need your help! Quick! 12 o'clock! We need you in the engineering bay! Quick! We won't last much longer! Over and out!
Mayday! Mayday! We need your help! Quick! 12 o'clock! We need you in the engineering bay! Quick! We won't last much longer! Over and out!
All right, so now we got this voice changer. And the incredible part about using this voice changer is that when you look at what it's capable of doing, it's done in like 2 clicks. So why did I want this? Well, of course you want the authenticity. This is something I talk about a lot, about wanting things that look and feel, unique and flow really well in your classroom, about, selling that illusion that you're in space, in a superhero land, medieval land, whatever the case may be. So now that we have these videos that are, got these filters and lenses, your normal voice is going to give a little bit of away, even though the kids know it is you. It is really, really neat to use this because it's super simple. So if we look at my videos, you'll see that number 2 was a space themed video. So what you do is you can preview any of these by just clicking on them, and then it'll tell you what it sounds like. So if you just click on one, it'll kind of give you some crazy sounds, effects, and things like that. Or if none of these fit the one that you want, you can click on create a custom one, and you can actually add all kinds of different effects and then determine how much it changes. And then you can actually create different lists of stuff. It kind of goes on about how to do it, but then you get an automatic update about what it sounds like. So even if the ones that are here don't suit you or suit your game or your need, you can actually create your own. But I found that using these is generally pretty good because, again, this is not Hollywood style things. It's just used to sell effect and introduce new characters. So this is as simple as it works. It's a couple steps to the process, but it should all be free and capable for most people. So what you do is you record your video, which we've already done. So now the next thing is I'm going to load a new audio clip. So I'm going to upload, and I'm going to pick voiceover number 2. So even though it's a video, you're good. So it's ready. So now I'm going to click on the astronaut one here. So I like the way that sounds. I'm not 100% sure that you guys can hear that. I don't know if it's actually capturing computer audio. So now I want that one. So sorry, you click on it. And if you like it, you right click and you go save audio as, and I'm going to call this Spaceman audio. So now we have to fuse the 2 clips together, and that's incredibly simple actually. If you were on a Windows computer, you can do it the way I'm about to do it for free. You can do exactly the same thing for iMovie if you have a Mac, and things like, I know a lot of school districts have WeVideo and other tools like that. So you can use, again, any of those depending on what it is that you like to use. So that's 100% up to you. But you just need a really simple video editor because we're going to take the audio from the original recording and just simply replace it with the new audio. So I've now got my audio clip and my video. So if you are in Windows and you go to Photos and you open the Windows Photo app, they've actually hidden the video editor right here. So if I go Video Editor and I go Make a New Project, I'm just going to call this Spaceman Mayday. And I'm doing this in real time, so you'll see how easy it is. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to go to Desktop, and I'm going to go to voiceover number 2. And I'm going to drag that in there. And now the first thing you want to do is this, at least that I haven't been able to find, should have a thing where it splits the audio and the video, but I can't find that. So what I realized the easiest solution is to just mute the audio. So now if we watch it, no audio. That's what we want. So now we're going to go to custom audio at the top, add an audio file, and I'm going to go to my downloads, and I have Spaceman Audio, Bloomp. I know that this is good. I click done, poof. And because I literally use that video to make the audio file, it syncs up perfectly. And again, I don't think you can hear this. So I'm happy with it. I can see that it's good. So you just go finish video. You can pick your quality or whatever you want. You can change anything that you want. And I'm just going to go export. And I'm going to call this Spaceman Mayday Final. Bloop. I'm going to export that. So in 1 minute and 30 seconds, here is my video.
Mayday! Mayday! We need your help! Quick! 12 o'clock! We need you in the engineering bay! Quick! We won't last much longer! Over and out!
So now you have the effect of a completely synchronized custom video about a guy needing help in space. Simple as that. So as you can see, it is incredibly easy to make NPCs and all kinds of side quests and characters come to life to fit into your game with custom videos that you could build into your apps. You could have playing in classes. You could hide them with QR codes in your classrooms, and kids find and scan, and it really reveals secret missions, NPCs, or side quests. It's a limitless tool, and I'd love to see all the ideas that you guys can come up with about it, because I think that it would be absolutely incredible, the things that you guys are capable of doing. So I really look forward to seeing what you are able to produce and able to do, and I cannot wait to see some of the examples. Let me know, and as always, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, all of the things that you celebrate. May I have you a safe, rule-following, pandemic, COVID Christmas. Love you all. Take care, and